Well, we begin tonight with the world's newest variant concern, Omicron. It's a rapidly spreading variant, officially declared a variant of concern by the World Health Organization, just 2 days after learning of its existence. This particular variant has top scientists on alert. So far, it's been identified in South Africa, Botswana, Hong Kong, and Belgium. Medical experts noting an unusually high number of mutations in this variant and say it appears more contagious than the Delta variant. Remember, the CDC has said the Delta variant is as contagious as chickenpox. Omicron also shows an increased risk of reinfection.
Right now, you're talking about sort of like a red flag that this might be an issue.
Countries taking swift action to isolate Omicron. The U.S. issuing new travel restrictions to South Africa and 7 other countries effective Monday. This new variant, certainly not what Michigan hospitals want to hear. As of today, the state has 4,100 patients hospitalized with COVID-19. That's just a couple hundred lower than the pandemic record set last November. Some relief coming next week, though. The U.S. government sending medical teams to 2 Michigan hospitals, including Beaumont Hospital in Dearborn. 7 Action News reporter Nana Bonsu speaking with local medical experts to find out what Omicron could mean going forward and if the current vaccines will hold up. Nana.
Yes, starting on Monday, non-U.S. citizens cannot travel from South Africa and 7 other African nations. This means they have 72 hours to leave those countries if they have plans on coming back to the United States. Time is ticking for many, especially one Northern Michigan University student.
As of now, I should make it before Monday. I don't know, but with all that's going on, who knows what can happen between now and then.
This is not the Thanksgiving Mbangi Mamposa had in mind when he got on a plane last Friday to Zimbabwe.
I thought Thanksgiving weekend was going to be like the perfect time to visit the family.
Unfortunately, he was wrong. He's now figuring out how to make it back to Marquette, Michigan before the U.S. travel ban goes into effect.
As of now, I'm scheduled to arrive Sunday at 12 p.m.
His original plan was to return back Monday afternoon, but plans changed when he got a notification on his phone.
I get this ping from Bloomberg, and it's like the White House announces that, they're putting COVID restrictions on people coming to the United States.
People coming from several southern countries in Africa where the new COVID-19 variant, Omicron, is emerging. President Joe Biden says the travel ban is a precautionary measure.
We don't know a lot about the variant except that it is a great concern. It seems to spread rapidly.
Dr. Matthew Sims with Beaumont Health says the variant is taking over South Africa.
There's about 100 confirmed cases of it in South Africa.
He says the concern is how contagious the variant appears.
All the viruses that they've sequenced in the last week or so have been this new variant, as opposed to Delta.
At the moment, the U.S. will suspend travel from 8 countries, including South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique.
It has been found in travelers from those areas in various other countries.
Do we know of any cases in the United States now?
We're not aware of any cases yet in the United States. That could change at any minute, unfortunately.
Maposa says he hopes he can get on the next flight out of Zimbabwe and make it back before Monday.
I just don't know. And that's the scary part.
And now, for the second year in a row, some international students heading to Southern Africa may not make it home for the holidays.
I have several friends who never got to go home during COVID, and we're excited to come home this December.
Yes, and even though we are in the middle of holiday travel, Dr. Sims says if you do not have to travel through an airport, do not do it. He says airports and planes are one of the fastest ways to spread a virus, especially globally. I'm Nana Bonsu for 7 Action News.
Nana, thank you.